Something is happening at Apple Park that should make every MacBook owner very nervous. For years, the iPad Pro has been a beautiful toy, a powerful piece of glass that was held back by its own brain. We called it the "What's a Computer" fail. But as we sit here in 2026, the game has officially changed. The M5 iPad Pro isn't just an update, it is an execution. Apple has finally decided to stop playing nice with the Mac, and the result is a device so powerful, so efficient, and so deeply integrated with AI that it makes the traditional laptop look like a typewriter. If you are currently looking at your M2 or M3 iPad and thinking, "I'm fine," I have some news that might hurt. You aren't fine, because the M5 chip isn't just a 15% speed bump. It is a fundamental shift in how silicon processes reality. We are talking about the first consumer device to feature neural accelerators inside every single GPU core. This isn't just about opening apps faster. This is about your iPad becoming a sentient creative partner. In the next 30 minutes, I'm going to break down why the M5 iPad Pro is the most dangerous product Apple has ever released. We're going to talk about the death of the 8GB RAM era, the secret Tandem OLED 2.0 technology that's reaching 3000 nits, and why iPadOS 26 is finally, and I mean finally, giving us the professional freedom we've been begging for since 2010. If you've been waiting for the laptop killer, your wait is over. But there's a catch, a big one. And if you don't understand the unified memory trap, you're going to waste $1,000 on the wrong model. Let's start with the heart of the machine, the M5 silicon. While the rest of the industry is still struggling to perfect the 3nm process, Apple has moved into the refinement era. The M5 is built on the N3P process, which allows for a massive 35% jump in GPU performance and a staggering 3.5 times increase in AI throughput compared to the M4. Why does that matter to you? Because of Apple Intelligence. In 2026, AI isn't a chatbot in a browser. It is your operating system. iPadOS 26 is designed to run large language models locally. When you ask your iPad to remove the background from this video and replace it with a 3D rendered Martian landscape, the M5 doesn't send that to a server. It does it on the glass in real time, using those dedicated neural accelerators. If you are on an older chip, your iPad is going to feel like it's stuttering through a nightmare. The M5 is the only chip that can actually keep up with the future of software. But let's talk about the hardware you can actually feel. The design. Apple already made the iPad Pro impossibly thin with the M4. At 5.1mm, we thought they couldn't go further without the device snapping in half. For the M5, they didn't go thinner, they went smarter. The internal structure has been reinforced with a new titanium core spine. This isn't just for durability. It acts as a massive heatsink. The M5 can run at peak performance for twice as long as the M4 before it has to throttle. This means you can actually edit 8K ProRes footage on the beach, in the sun, without your screen dimming to 10% brightness. And speaking of the screen, Ultra Retina XDR 2.0. We thought Tandem OLED was the peak. We were wrong. The M5 model introduces a new low-reflective nano coating that is now standard